whose reign as grim lord of the dead came to a sudden end when all at once his past caught up with him. But gods do not go quietly, and history repeats. So this tale was only a matter of time.
Death to Kronos. Vengeance for my family. Lost souls. I'll make the Titan pay.
And well met there, Sunshine. Look, we can't get to the Titan, but if you truly mean to stop him, then the least I can do is light your way down.
They need my aid. I'll see if I need theirs. Can't recover here. Need to press on. Caskets. Enough. I'll need these soon enough. You dare! A centaur heart. Where to? Whalers. for me. A root stalker. Got to move. So bright. Spindles. Shadow now. Oh. Back already. Damn it. See what I get for staying out all night, Frunos. This old unfinished painting. Don't look away. Don't forget all that the Titan took from you.
Boo! Who dares disturb my eternal rest? You trifle!
That was pretty decent, right, Mel? Maybe pushing it. Calling you witch like that.
Solid haunting all in all, Dora. And I thought the witch part worked. But I'd better go. Something I have to do.
Then be gone.
Stand tall and show no weakness.
Come here.
It's being purified.
Time forced our hand, Millenary. Nary Soul expected you to slay our enemy last night, on a new moon, no less.
I lack such forgiveness for my failure at Mistress Hecate. The Titan yet lives, and Olympus yet burns, while I'm back.
Yes, recovered bodily, if not in spirit, and grown wiser for it. You've not failed, merely begun. This is
Death to Kronos.
Hail. Tell me you killed the bastard. Drove your staff into his wretched skull, slid a dagger in his gut. Not that he died.
Kronos, the Titan of Time, is vanquished, Odysseus. I have his head right here. At least.
Well, you'll get him next time, I reckon.
We'll find a way to wake you, O sleep. Father, what was forgotten shall be feared again. Hi, gang. Headmistress must have some important tasks for you.
Already hit a wall. Knocked your scrawny ass all the way.
You're fortunate you have even this responsibility for all your questioning of orders and...
Oh, shut up.
Hail, Shades. Our fight is just getting started. My altar. Headmistress lent me the Arcana. The sorceress. The wayward son. That'll do. The arms of night are now at my disposal. Or shall be, soon enough. Sealed as always.
She's smacking with that thing. Disciples, attend. A battle lost. But this is war, young one, and you have many battles yet to come. The only question is, are you prepared to win?
Commander Skelemius, sir. You're certain it's acceptable for me to strike you 20 times in front of all your...
Dead certain. Hit me with everything you got.
As you will, sir.
Disciples, watching now.
Can't do it.
Alright, that's enough. Unless you want to keep going.
Death to Kronos. I'll see to that. No one is more prepared. Beyond the mists of Erebus, there should be a way down. Too risky heading through Elysium, and too risky to stay. All right, it's time. Find the Titan, slay the Titan.